Alright, this video I'm going to talk about your main banner and how we can edit this. So I'm in the back end right now, and the first thing I want to find is sliders. See that? And right now we have four sliders. I've got the three that I did, the generic ones, whatever, slide 1, 2, and 3. You can call yours whatever you want. The other one I called beach stair. So how you want to label those and name those is entirely up to you. You know, whatever's convenient for you. Let's go ahead and click on it, and if I come in here, I'll see this is the link to the picture. That's the main picture we see, and I'm going to go over all this in more detail. The link of where it goes to if someone clicks it. So in your guys' case, if I click it, where does it go? It goes to, I think, the About Us or our story page. All right. So you set that here. It says link. Your description title and your description text. That is, oh, that's weird. I gotta set a link. Don't worry about that. It's a link that I need to update, and we'll fix that right now. Hold on 1 second. All right, sorry about that. I had a bad link in there I have to fix. Anyway, so we have the title text and then the description text. So we'll see this Marcus and Chauncia engaging in a beach stare, and we'll see that here's the title, and then here's the text. You can type whatever you want in there. We can control the position of the box that holds the text. So you'll see one slide, I got text on the right. The slide with you and Marcus, it's got text on the left. And we can also raise this box up and down. So how you do that is down here. So that's, for instance, you'll see this number 320. That basically is telling it where to sit. The larger the number, the lower it comes down. The smaller the number, the higher it goes up. So for instance, if I came in here and I did 100 and then I put right, what's going to happen is now it's going to go up and it's going to be over here on the right side. So if I refresh and look at your stair picture, look, it's down higher up and it's over on the right. So you can actually play around, which is pretty cool, and move that thing around. Let's see, let me put this back. And then below that you have your color, basically your color of your font. So if I click on this box, I can choose the font color that I want. So obviously, if you have a black box, the white font works well over that. So you'll be able to change that. Maybe you want to use, your purple or something in there, or a lighter blue or something. You can do that. All right. Last but not least is your particular image. And how we do that, if you need to create a new one, is we click Select Image. And then when we get a dialog box, it's going to pop up, and then you can hit select and then grab the picture from your computer. Now here's something you're going to want to write down, save in a Word document somewhere on your computer for this next portion of actually adding this picture. Let me bounce out of here and I'll go over it real quick. Okay, this particular theme, this is the one we're using for your site, requires an image to be uploaded of these exact measurements. Otherwise, this area is not going to look properly. It's 898 by 500, so it's 898 pixels by 500 pixels. I'm not sure why they do that, why they force that on you. That's just how they do it. So, a couple things. You have options. There's free online, online software where you can crop a picture. More than likely your computer, you probably just don't know about it, has a way to crop an image, I think. I use a Mac, so I know I have it. PC, if you use a PC, has some, I know it comes with it because someone told me. It's something in there where you can go and crop your actual images. So when you go to upload those, it needs to be 898 by 500. And if you can't find something, you need help, feel free. Hey Charlie, I got these two pictures. Would you mind cropping them down to 898 to 500 for me? And I would be more than happy to do that for you. Also, I'll show you something. Is WordPress comes built with a editor, and if you actually watch the WordPress 101 videos, they go over this section. But I'll go over it real quick, and then maybe you can catch the tutorial that they go over. They discuss. So, for instance, let's say you've uploaded a picture. I can actually edit this thing. So if I click this edit button, here's my picture, right? So what I can do is edit this image. So I click edit, and now I can crop this thing. So for instance, I can drag my thing over this and then crop it how I want, save it, right? That's one way. But since you have a specific size, what you could do is, let's see, they've changed this around a little bit, so I'm still trying to figure it out. Let's see. Oh, here we go. 898. I'm trying to figure out how I. Oh, silly me. Cancel this. Sorry. I never use this thing, so I apologize. I usually do it in Photoshop or something else. So, what you could do is this. See this? Let me try this again. See over here? It says your size. So what you could do is do 898. So let's see, 8. I can find 898. Probably could type it in, I bet too. Oh, look at that. Oh, duh. 898, 500. Goofy. And then you can scale your picture that way. And this picture's a giant picture, so kind of ignore that. You know, that's what it looks like, but it's a humongous image. So you could save it that way, then upload it. Go that route. So hopefully I didn't confuse you too much. All right, let me get out of here. And then one last thing. Okay, so we got these. And what you can do, you can order your pictures by you'll see right here it says 0, 3, 1, and 0, this ordering thing. So when you make an image, or excuse me, when you make a slider, you see this attributes right here. So if I want this to be last, I could change this to 4. Because we have 4, and I think I have in there 0, 1, 2, 3, or whatever it is. And then this is first, and there you are last. Okay, so if I come back and put 0, now you'd be up in the beginning. So you can order and arrange things that way. All right, that'll do it for your slider. Hopefully, didn't confuse you too much.